สวัสดีปริบัติใดกระปงแต่ตัวสนา Channel เรียบมวยชมมาเถือปัจจุบันเพียบจะต้องชมวยหนึ่งการในเรื่องราวเลยพิภพโลกที่ภาษาแปลปอนชมวยหนึ่งก็สัมเพพิเศษมวยได้เติมแต่ไปจับมนิตไปทำไมคือการในจะต้องชมวยหนึ่งก็สัมเพพิเศษชมวยหนึ่งปลอดที่จะไปสารบริโลกโดนัลด์ทรัมป์ในขนมก็สัมเพนี่คือแปลปอนชมวยหนึ่งการในวิบัติในอุกฤษหนึ่งรัสเซียตามระยะสำนวนได้สู้ดาวได้สัมเพนั้นคือบานสำนวนนั้นสู้ท่าแต่ถ้าปัญหานี่คือมาปีนานาจีปัญหาระบาดปูตินจีปัญหาระบาดเซเลนสกี้หรือก็จีปัญหาระบาดโดนัลด์ทรัมป์นั่นเอง
Is he the problem? Is Putin the problem? Or is Europe the problem?
มุนลงทว่าการบอกสลายในสำนวนนี้โดนัลด์ทรัมป์กับบานรำลึกคำปีไว้ในบานการล้างการปีสมัยคาร์บอนโลบาราโอบามาแต่ลูกบานยีทาคือมันมีประโยชน์เอาไว้ตัวทดสอบในขนมการช่วยแกรนขนมพวกนั้นรัฐบาลระบอบลูกไบเดนคือจะรัฐบาลก็จะบอกได้พอดอลตัวประรถดอตัวใบรอย50 ปอนด์เหรียญดอลลาร์ในขนมการช่วยประเทศแกรนนำไปประชาชนในประเทศรัสเซีย
It was in that case Obama gave sheets. He gave sheets. They sent nothing. But Biden gave money like nobody's ever seen before. $350 billion. $350 billion.
โดยเฉพาะก็บานตัวแรกของเขาตัวเลือรัฐบาลរបស់លោកไบเดนតែជារដ្ឋបាលមួយដែលបានគ្រប់គ្រងអ៊ុយក្រែនប៉ុន្តែការធ្វើនោះគឺមិនបានជោគជ័យទាល់តែសោះរីឯសង្គ្រាមរវាងរុស្ស៊ីនិងអ៊ុយក្រែននេះគឺមានការស្លាប់ជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃអ្វីដែលលោកបានប្រៀបធៀបនេះគឺបានប្រៀបធៀបថាប្រទេសអ៊ុយក្រែនកំពុងតែស្ថិតនៅក្នុងស្ថានភាពលំបាករថក្រោះរបស់ពួកគេគឺជាប់នៅក្នុងផុកហើយដូច្នេះអ្វីដែលTrump អាចធ្វើបាននេះគឺការផ្ដល់នៅលំវែងដើម្បីឲ្យខាងអ៊ុយក្រែនគឺអាចការពារខ្លួនបាននេះក៏ចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាអ្វីដែលគាត់ធ្វើនេះគឺដើម្បីជួយការពារនៅសន្តិភាពឲ្យអ៊ុយក្រែនខណៈពេលដែលអ៊ុយក្រែនប្រកាសណាស់ជាប្រទេសមួយដែលមិនអាចនឹងយកជ័យជំនះលើប្រទេសរុស្ស៊ីដែលជាប្រទេសមហាអំណាចនេះឡើយដូច្នេះមានតែការចងចាការប្រុងប្រៀនទេដែលធ្វើឲ្យប្រទេសរុស្ស៊ីនិងប្រទេសអ៊ុយក្រែននេះអាចឈានទៅរកសន្តិភាពបានក៏ប៉ុន្តែលក្ខខណ្ឌដែលបានដាក់ឲ្យទៅប្រទេសអ៊ុយក្រែននេះគឺវាអាចនឹងពិបាកក្នុងការទទួលយកពីលោកប្រធានាធិបតីZelenskyដោយសារតែលក្ខខណ្ឌនេះគឺអាចនឹងកាត់ទឹកដីដែលគ្រប់គ្រងដោយរុស្ស៊ីប្រមាណជា20%ជាពិសេសនេះគឺតំបន់មួយចំនួនដែលទើបបានថ្មីនេះទៀតដូច្នេះហើយធ្វើឲ្យលោកប្រធានាធិបតីZelenskyគឺមិនមានការឯកភាពទៅលើបញ្ហាឡើយដូច្នេះនៅពេលដែលជួបពិភាក្សាគ្នានៅOval Office នេះគឺលោក Zelensky គឺនៅតែទាមទារម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតថាធានាបាននៅសន្តិសុខសម្រាប់អ៊ុយក្រែន
When Zelensky was in the Oval Office, I was talking about getting it done, and he starts screaming, "But we need security," meaning security after the fact. I said, "Security? I don't even know if we can get this deal done." He's asking for more, just more and more and more.
ប៉ុន្តែលោកពូទីនគឺប្រហែលជាមិនអាចឲ្យប្រទេសអ៊ុយក្រែនបានសុខស្រួលហើយដោយសារតែមូលហេតុនេះគឺថាអ៊ុយក្រែនខ្លួនឯងហ្នឹងគឺចង់ចូលជាមួយ NATO នេះជាបញ្ហាហើយនៅពេលដែលវិភាសានេះជាមួយនឹង Donald Trump បានប្រាប់ហើយថារឿងរ៉ាវទាំងអស់អាចនឹងបញ្ចប់បានប្រសិនជាលោក Zelensky នឹងចូលតុចរចាប៉ុន្តែប្រហែលជានឹងពិបាកដោយលក្ខខណ្ឌដែលខ្ញុំបានប្រាប់ពីមុនហ្នឹងហើយលោក Donald Trump ក៏បាននិយាយជាសាធារណៈដែរថាការទៅចែកគ្នាជាមួយនឹងពូទីនដូចជាមានលក្ខណៈងាយស្រួលជាងបើប្រៀបធៀបការនិយាយជាមួយនឹងលោក Zelensky
He's been easier to deal with than Zelensky thus far.
ដូច្នេះយើងចាំមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាតើដំណើរការទៅមុខប្រទេសទាំងពីរអាចឈានទៅតុចរចាបានទេតាមរយៈការសម្របសម្រួលពីលោក Donald Trump